So I'm on Pixel Studio. This is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create my text. So left click here, select the artistic text tool, left click, and now type your text. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the size here, the font size to 500, press enter. And then I'm going to change the font here, left click here, I'm going to change it to N10. I'm going to change the color here, so left click here on the color wheel. So I'm going to change it to white. So now let's select the move tool. And now I'm just going to place it here on top of the person. And then I'm going to distort it from the right handle, this one here. As you can see, the cursor changes. I'm just going to move it up like this. And now I'm just going to center it. So I'm going to place it here. So for now, I'm just going to hide it. So now let's select the image layer, this one here. Control J to duplicate it. And now we need to make selection of the person here. So I'm going to left click here. And then use the selection brush tool, left click. So the mode here is add, left click on this one. For the width, I'm going just to see, so I think I'm going to leave it to 62. I check the snap to edges and soft edges. And now I'm just going to paint over the person here to select. So here it is, as you can see, it's selecting these parts here. So now I'm just going to select all the person here. Just try to be precise with your selection. So for example here you can zoom in. If you go to the navigator tab here, I'm just going to move the slider to the right. So here it is. And now I'm just going to continue my selection. So I think here I'm okay. I'm just going to reduce the zoom. So here it is. So now I'm just going to hide the bottom one. So here it is. Click on the eye icon. And now I'm just going to add the mask layer, a clipping mask here. So this is going to keep only our selection here from this layer. So make sure you have the selection. So here's our selection from the marching ants. And now just click on this icon here. So here it is. So it kept only our selection. So now I'm just going to remove the selection. Go to Pixel, Selection, and then deselect. And now I'm going to reveal all the layers. I'm going to reveal the first one, the one with the background, and then reveal the text. And now I'm just going to place my text under the person layer here with the mask. I'm just going to place it under. So here it is. If I hide the background one, so here it is. It is right behind the person we just selected. So now you can select the text. You can add some styling. So for example, click on the FX here, layer effects. So now for example, I can add an outer shadow, left click. Select the outer shadow. So I'm just going to increase the radius. And then I'm going to increase the intensity. And then I'm just going to add the slight outline. So here it is.